In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply CSS to individual pages in Weebly. Let's dive right in so you can start customizing your website to match your unique style and design preferences. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Weebly's main website by searching for their free website builder. This is your entry point to crafting personalized web pages with ease. Once you're on the Weebly homepage, go ahead and log in using your email and password. If you're not logged in, you can't access the dashboard where all the action happens. If you've forgotten your password, there's always an option to reset it, but hopefully you have that information on hand to proceed quickly. After entering your credentials, simply click on the login button, and this will take you to the next step of the process. From there, you'll be directed to the overview page. This is essentially your control hub within Weebly. It's where you manage all aspects of your site, from design to settings. Once you're on the overview section, look for the Edit Site button. Clicking this will open up the Weebly site editor, where you can make all sorts of modifications to your web page's appearance and content. Now that you've accessed the site editor, turn your attention to the theme tab. This is a critical step, because the theme section allows you to make broader design changes to your site, impacting everything from color schemes to layouts. By clicking on theme, you'll see various customization options, but right now our focus is on applying specific CSS. At the bottom left corner, you'll notice an option labeled Edit HTML/CSS. By clicking here, you open up the source code editor where all the magic happens. On the left panel, you'll see a list of files, and you should click on main.less, which is grouped under styles. This is essentially your style sheet where you can input your custom CSS code. The next step is straightforward. You need to copy and paste the CSS code you want to apply. Make sure the code is precise and does exactly what you need it to do for your specific web page. After pasting your code, it's crucial to click on the Save button. This step locks in all your changes, ensuring they don't get lost if you accidentally navigate away from the page. Finally, to make your modifications live on the web, click on Publish. This allows you to see the newly applied CSS in action on your website. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily apply CSS to individual pages in Weebly, giving you greater control over your site's aesthetics.